Rolling up balls of locust bean preparing for the market, Nkiruka Ani is starting again trying to pick up the pieces of her life. In March, she was excluded from her family's assets during the sharing process that followed Igbo customary practice which forbids women from family inheritance.
I believe that we all humans, anything that they give to male ones, they should give also to the female ones. Nobody, as in, we are equal, but I don't know their own mentality. Maybe the female are not, they are not, I don't understand.
The age-long practice is based on the idea that a female child will get married and leave her home to join her spouse. Many women like Annie have been denied money and property because of the practice. But in late August, Nigeria's Supreme Court, in a landmark decision, annulled the tradition, saying it was discriminatory and contradicts the constitution of the Nigerian state. The decision was celebrated by gender equality advocates like Solomon Buchi.
Constantly weigh culture on the scale of objectivity, on the scale of fairness, on the scale of justice, on the scale of equality and equity. Is it fair to people? Is it just to people? Is it equitable? Is it compassionate? We don't want to call it our culture, or we are not going to pride in a culture that dehumanizes.
But some who favor the tradition object to the Supreme Court's ruling and warn it could attract punishment from the gods.
Properties should be shared among men, because that has been something our forefathers has been doing for so long, and it has been working. It has been working like that, and I don't think our women are complaining.
It's left for the boy child now to consider the girls and give them some.
But the chairman of the Abuja Council of Igbo Traditional Rulers, Ezeudo Uche Egenti, urges monarchs to support the Supreme Court judgment.
The Supreme Court has spoken. It is proper for you and I to go by the laws of the land. And I wonder why it's just on Igbo land. You understand? Which means the North, the South, they are not practicing the same thing we are practicing.
Some say implementing the court's ruling on tradition will be slow and difficult, but gender equality advocates will be observing the progress. Timothy Obiezu for VOA News, Abuja.